Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are tackling at a hot topic that has been circulating a lot recently. Are nicotine pouches safer than smoking? With the rise of alternatives like nicotine pouches, many smokers are switching over, hoping for an healthier option. But are they really safer or just another trap? So let's break down the facts, weigh the pros and cons, and get back to the truth. So, first thing first, let's define what are nicotine pouches. Nicotine pouches are small, white, and discrete packets that you place between lip and gum. Unlike traditional cigarettes or even e cigarettes, they don't produce smoke or vapor. Most brands contain nicotine, flavorings, and some form of filler or base material, but no tobacco. So, why are people turning to nicotine pouches? Many people are turning to nicotine pouches for one main reason: they want to quit smoking or reduce the health risk associated with it. Smoking is known to cause multiple health problems like lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory issues, largely due to the harmful chemicals found in tobacco smoke. So, the idea of alternative that delivers nicotine without the smoke seems promising, right? But it really that simple. How do nicotine pouches work? So nicotine pouches deliver nicotine through the lining of your mouth. The nicotine is absorbed directly into your bloodstream, giving you the same kind of satisfaction as smoking, but without the harmful combustion process. So, unlike cigarettes, nicotine pouches don't expose you to tar, carbon monoxide, or thousands of other toxic chemicals found in cigarette smoke. Now, on to the big question is, are nicotine pouches safer than smoking? Yes, but there is more to the story. Since nicotine pouches don't involve burning tobacco, they remove some of the most harmful elements in smoking, particularly the toxic chemicals produced by smoke. Studies have even shown that nicotine by itself is addictive, but not as dangerous as the harmful substance released during smoking. With that said, nicotine is still not harmless. It's highly addictive and can contribute to health problems like high blood pressure, increased heart rate, and potential long term effects on the brain, particularly in younger users. The absence of smoke makes nicotine pouches less harmful than smoking, but they are not at all risk free. So, what are the potential health risks of nicotine pouches? Although nicotine pouches eliminate smoke, they come with their own set of concerns. So, prolonged use of nicotine can lead to addiction, and in some cases, people have reported issues like gum irritation, tooth damage, or even stomach problems from swallowing saliva containing nicotine. Furthermore, just because they don't stain your lungs, it doesn't mean that they can't impact your health in other ways. So, are nicotine pouches safer than smoking? The conclusion is yes, they are safer in the sense that they remove the deadly toxins found in cigarette smoke, making them a less harmful alternative. However, it's important to remember that they are still addictive and not completely free of risk. For those looking to quit smoking, nicotine pouches can be a stepping stone towards a smoke free life, but they are not a magic bullet. If your goal is to be nicotine free, reducing your dependence on nicotine altogether should be your long term goal. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also the bell notification, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. So, what are your thoughts on nicotine pouches? Are they truly a safer alternative? And if you are taking the nicotine pouches, and what are your experience with that? So, I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you for watching.